Segunya kor mogajang riwruok ma jopuonj mar KUPPET bade ma Baringo koro wacho ni gibiro daro jopuonj e kar chung'od bura ma Baringo North kaluwore gi njore ma ogo tach kuro. Jagoro maduong' e kaunti no Zakaria Nyombi wacho ni serikal nyaka to koro rid arita e gwengego ka kamano to gibiro daro jopuonj. Nyaka sani oselos skunde auchiel e kar chung'od bura no ka ji 5 bende osewito ngimagi. Jod bura ma Baringo North bende nomedo ni njore osebedo ka medore kata obedo ni serikal nosingo rakruok kodgi.
If the government are not able to protect our teachers, our children in those schools, then we have no option but to withdraw them. We tell them that you boycott duty, don't go to those places because their lives are more important than the insecurity they are subjected to. And if the government is serious in this thing of disarmament, then what they need to do is only that they go for disarmament, but at the same time provide security to these schools.
We have crossed Kakiri, we have crossed Naratuko, we have crossed Jemoy, we have crossed Chirkasi, we have crossed a number of primary and secondary schools in the farmland area because of insecurity.
Nimeona watoto wakifanya mtihani wakiwa wamesimamiwa na askari wakiwa na bunduki in that environment and they still succeed and excel. What kind of resilience is that? So it is important that we also reopen the schools, about 5 of them which are still closed, to be reopened and secured